Alright guys, what's going on? We're back with another video. Today, as you guys can tell by the title and thumbnail, we got a pretty good new project going on. The 400EX from a couple videos back ended up throwing the timing chain and needed to be rebuilt. Whenever John went to go to looking at rebuilding it, he kind of decided that maybe he wants to turn it into kind of like the Gladiator, but a little bit bigger, and already has a motor in it because we're obviously, you know, jamming the fucking 400 in it. He's in there grinding away right now, so we're gonna go take a look at it when he's done. Finally done making a whole bunch of fucking noise.
Oh god, you caught me again.
I did.
I am.
Always.
For like a whole 10 seconds anyway, because, you know, we gotta roll this back over. Welcome back, guys. So, you obviously caught me back in the shop doing stupid shit.
Yep. I already told them kind of the whole idea.
That's good.
What is this? Why is it on its side?
This?
Yes, why is it on its side? What is it?
Okay, just kidding.
Questions.
Originally this is a Murray Explorer cart. Bought it a couple weeks ago. Originally I was supposed to do work for the guy to fix the rear end, get the discs and everything for the brakes and everything else fixed, and a bunch of stupid shit. Wasn't worth doing that. So basically what it would have been worth in labor, I figured, you know, I'll offer you that exact amount, and he was totally cool with it. It's, long story short, a perfect chassis for what will soon be the 400EX. Should we say sandrail, cross cart,
insane monstrosity, whatever you wish to call it.
Yeah, but this is going to be kind of like the Gladiator, but
That's exactly what I was saying.
better.
Exactly. If you guys also did see in the background, here is the ass end of the 400. For all you people out there that really like these four-wheelers, we do too, and it probably hurts you to see it in this state.
Please, I know you guys are going to diss in the comments. I am sorry for all those enthusiasts of the 400EXs, 450Rs, etc. Honda is a fucking fantastic bike, and I personally love the 400EX. Like, it is fucking fantastic. But I have a kid, he has a kid, and we have things other than dying on four-wheelers doing stupid shit. So, we're going to do it in something a little more enclosed. All the way up to, you're going to have your little box-in cage. It's going to go all the way down your engine and everything. I'll have an upright fuel cell. It's going to be a cylinder, and then you'll have everything else as usual. You'll have the underside of that is either going to be a fan, an air-cooled oil cooler for that because, well, it was overheating, not to mention the timing chain blowing up. But, again, I love that fucking engine, and by all means, it will be rebuilt. I cannot just scrap that out. It wasn't alive long enough, so to speak.
That ain't no shit.
Yeah, it lasted, what, maybe a month?
Yeah, something like that. Is that what we're going to call it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back. It's been a solid week since we've done anything. We actually didn't even update you on what we did. You want to tell them what we did?
Well,
all of it.
What I'm saying, which part did you last show them?
Well, none of the welds were here. I can tell you that much.
So they were just setting on each other?
Yep.
Okay, so from the first part, it's been set back a whole nother foot. We did end up realizing that with the head on it, we had a bolt that goes through here. Well, without that, a lot of things would vibrate loose. So that's why it got moved back a little bit. It's getting restructured both below and on top. We are actually currently getting ready to do some gussets all over this because, well, as you all know, this is meant for a 212, not a 400.
Yeah.
So,
while John's doing that, I'm going to get this seat here mounted up, and then he's going to end up tack welding it on. So we'll have a seat here in a second, too.
With the sliding adjuster as well.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Uh-oh, here's a good flow. Uh-oh, who's that at your door? Is that me? That's B, that's C. That's the one in the gunner, the runner, and that's the one who's a coming. Straight up in the ground, moving the commas. Who the fuck moving around now? Who the knowledge? Yeah, when you get it like a diamond, I'm polished. I keep a shining and whining, and here to come around driving. Ooh, Yeah, bada boom, bada bing. Know I be the one, man, straight up on the scene. Hop that, pop that, cause you know I got a cold. Here we go, know I got a cold sneeze. Here we go. Cough, drizzle, pizzle with the whizzle. And now I'm about to go Snoop Drove on the dizzle. Now I got to get it on the flow for shizzle, because they better get the one, I'm the one that at the hizzle. Hey, nip that with the nip tuck. Who the fuck is that? Is that Nip Tuck? Nip Tuck? Yeah, get to trucking, you fucking, you said you're sucking, said you're running, you're drumming, this said the one and who's the coming? Number one stunner, that's the one and that's coming. You know, I'm the number one, a rookie of the summer. 2019 COVID, fight me, that's a right dude. Know I pulled up, winning on the scene. Yeah, I get it going for my team. That's UT to the ball, to the raw, to the ball, to the hill, to the deal. That's a game. Orange and white, the only color that I bang. Know when to go, that's the color of the thing. That's the way that I flow, that's the way that we go. Know you say you acting like a soft on the top, like a butter on a bitch on the motherfucker dinner tabletop. Hey, and now you never go play. You know I got the magazines and you put them away. You said you got a girl, now she dripping on the world. Then you say she got it, say she you your whole world. Let me tell you, man, she not the plan. No one time you drop a pinch that she be a man, and that's probably facts. Let me tell you why, cause when you pull up, now you shit be whack. And then you're talking, and you're stuttering, and you're mumbling, and you're humbling, and you're mumbling, and you're stumbling, and you tumble. I don't give a fuck, dude. If you can fight, if you did it on a mic, I don't give a damn. Hope you can fight like Mike, not bite, but get the hoe low, get the hoe Joe, cause I'm about to take you to the hoe zone. Knock your ass on the street. I don't give a fuck, man, never heard of me.